Hey parent, do me a favor. Check in with your shoulders. Are you feeling any tension? Relax them. Take a second to take a deep breath. And to exhale. Let's try it again. Sometimes self-care can be as simple as a few seconds to just simply be in the moment, to simply just be still and to breathe. As busy parents, we often put everyone and everything before us. But give yourself permission today, right now, to just be in the moment. If you're watching this, most likely you're just scrolling. So stop the scroll, watch it again if you have to, or just simply put the phone down and take a few seconds to just be.